Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be doing a double process color transformation on my sister. I'm using Pravana Cream Developer in 20 volume with the Pravana Pure Light Ultra Lightener. We're going to lighten her mid shaft. We're going to stay about 1/2 inch to 1 inch away from the root and about a 1/2 inch or so away from the end. After I've applied lightener to her entire head, I go back and do the roots and pull through to the ends. During a virgin application, you want to save the roots and the ends for last because those areas tend to process quickly, especially in the roots where there's body heat. You want to continue doing this all the way around the head until every inch is covered. Make sure you're paying attention to what levels the hair has lightened to. I want to get her to a level 7 or 8 in order for the color to show on her. Allow it to process to the desired level and rinse and shampoo. We're using the Pravana Chroma Silk 7.40 in bright copper blonde with the 20 volume cream developer for color. Next, we blow dry, straighten, and lightly trim. There's always risk of damage with any chemical process, and we're using Olaplex 1 and 2 to reduce those chances. Now we will style according to our desired look. Try not to use a lot of heat on your hair after you've undergone a chemical process. She's natural and will not be straightening her hair again anytime soon.